So another important accessories for valves is quick exhaust valve. So quick exhaust valve, as the name suggests, is helps to exhaust the air from the actuator quickly so that the valve can be closed or opened quickly. So is allows the high cylinder speed. Quick exhaust valve is installed at the rod or blind end of the pneumatic cylinder to provide a quick extension and retraction of the equipment. Quick exhaust valves operate by increasing the speed of the pneumatic cylinder rod in order to expel the exhaust air at the port of the cylinder directly. One quick exhaust valve is used in each port of the cylinder to ensure an increase in the speed of the rod in both directions. The use of quick exhaust valve in pneumatic system helps to increase the cycling speed. In turn, that ensures a much smaller valve to be effectively used for the process. And there are some models. As you can see, the quick exhaust valve looks like this.